Hi friends, welcome back. Today let us make Pooran Poli or Obbattu or Bolly. So it is known in different names. It is so delicious and it comes out really well. So let us see how to make this. So today I am making this using maida. So we'll take 2 cups of maida. Into this we'll add salt to taste and a pinch of turmeric powder for color. And now here I have taken 1 cup of water and we'll make it into a nice soft dough. The dough should be softer than the chapati dough, so that the filling stays inside properly and doesn't come out while rolling the Pooran Poli. I have not used the whole of 1 cup. Little was left. I'll just show you how much was left. After kneading it, we'll add some gingerly oil or sesame oil and mix it like this and keep it. This much water was left from the 1 cup which I had taken. Now we'll close it and allow it to rest for about half an hour. Now here I have cooked 1 cup of chana dal. It should be nice and softly cooked. I cooked it in a little more than 1.5 cups of water. Pressure cook it first on high flame till the first whistle. After that on sim for about 15 minutes. Now we'll grind it into a paste without using any more water. Into this we'll add, for sweetness, we'll take jaggery here. We can also make it using sugar. I've taken 1 cup of jaggery. Now we'll cook this well so that the water is evaporated and it is dry enough to make a ball. But we should get the right consistency. Here I have taken 6 cardamom and half nutmeg. Half of the nutmeg I have grated into this, and 6 cardamoms I have powdered and added. This gives a nice flavor to our Pooran Poli. And into this we'll add a teaspoon of ghee and mix it well. And we have to cook it till we reach the right consistency. Now the water is almost we should be careful that it doesn't dry out too much. If we keep a spoon into this, it should stand. That's the right consistency. Now after cooling it for a while, we'll make balls. With this measure I could make 10 balls to make Pooran Poli of a nice big size. This is the size of the filling which I had taken. Now we'll give the dough a shot, mix it a little, and then we'll make small balls. We should ensure that the balls made with the dough balls are smaller than the filling balls, so that our Pooran Poli doesn't have much dough. If you want it to have more dough, then you can use a little more of maida, more of the dough. Pull the dough around the filling ball and make it into a ball like this. Press it a little with the hands, and I have used maida to dust while rolling it out. If the dough consistency is taken correctly, the filling won't come out and it could be rolled out very nicely. The consistency of the filling also should be proper. It should not be too dry. Now we'll roll it out into a nice thin Pooran Polis. Uniformly rolled out. And now we'll cook it on a hot tawa. Turn it once and apply some ghee. So it's so easy to make Pooran Polis at home. We usually eat Pooran Poli just like that, without any side dish or accompaniment. But I have heard that in Maharashtra, Pooran Polis are relished with some chutney. I'm not very sure. And in Kerala, Bollies are Bollies and Pal Payasam is the combination. And this time we made Semia Payasam along with the with this Bolly, and it was really very tasty. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. And what do you have with Pooran Poli? Do you have it with any special dish or chutney, or do you have it alone? Pooran Poli just like that? Do let me know. See how nicely it is fluffing up. Hope you liked the video. I'll be back soon with another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.